Hi guys, welcome back to Lytical Preps. So today we are going to learn how to solve system of equation by using elimination method. Okay, yes, we are going to make it so simple. Okay, so we are going to use this problem to learn how to solve system of equation using elimination method. So the problem is we have to solve this for the system of equations 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 and 4x minus 2y is equal to 6 using elimination method. Good. So as I said, system of equation, we can use substitution method, the elimination method. Good. So we write the systems and we label it nicely. So our equation 1 and 4x minus 2y to be our equation 2. Good. For this question, using the elimination method, what you must do first is you compare the coefficients of the variables. So comparing the coefficients of the variables of equation 1 and equation 2, you can see that the coefficient of x variable in equation 1 is 3 and that of equation 2 is 4. Let's go to the second variable, that is the y. So the coefficient of y in equation 1 is 2 and that of equation 2 is negative 2. Good. So by elimination method, we can add equation 1 and equation 2. Since we are having 2y and negative 2y here, so that the variable y will cancel out, okay, for us to get one variable and we solve it. Good. So we are going to add it. So we have 3x plus 2 plus 4x minus 2y, which is equal to 12 plus 6. So you can see that when we simplify here, we are going to get 3x plus 2 plus 4x, sorry, there is y here, plus 4x minus 2y, which is equal to 12 plus 6 is what? 18. Now, let's group like terms. So you can see that we have 3x plus 4x here, then plus 2y minus 2y, which is equal to 18. Now, 2y minus 2y, it gives us 0. Okay, so we are going to get 3x plus 4x, that gives us 7x. So 7x is equal to 18. So we divide both sides by 7. So we get x is equal to 18 on 7. So we can now put x, which is 18 on 7, into any of the equation, okay? Into any of the equation, being equation 1 or equation 2. So let's put it in equation 1. So we are going to get 3 into bracket 18 on 7 plus 2y is equal to 12. Now, we can rewrite this and make it 3 times 18 on 7 plus 2y is equal to 12. And 3 times 18, we are getting what? 3 times 18 is giving us 54. Okay? 3 times is giving us 54. So 54 over 7 plus 2y is equal to 12. Now, as I said, some of us find it difficult to look for LCM in these cases. So what you need to do is just multiply the denominator of 54 or multiply the denominator of the fraction by the whole equation, okay? multiply the denominator of the fraction by the whole equation. So we are going to get 7 times 54 over 7 plus 7 times 2y, which is equal to 12 times 7. You can see that the 7 will cancel out, and we are getting 54 plus 14y is equal to 84. Good. Now we can group like terms. So 14y is equal to 84 minus what? 54. So 14y is equal to 84 minus 54. We are getting 30. So we divide both sides by 4. So we're going to get y is equal to 30 over 14. So therefore, our solution for the system of equation is s is equal to, we had 18 on 7, and our y is equal to 30 over 14. Good. So you can see that y, we can simplify y further. Okay, we can simplify y further. So we say that 2 goes into 14 how many times? 7 times. Okay, and it goes into 30 how many times? 15 times. So we can now write our y as 15 over 7. Okay, you are still correct, whether the first one or the simplified one. Okay, good. Let's come to the second problem. Okay, so this is the second problem. We are to use elimination method 2. So our problem is 3x plus 5y is equal to 14. You label it nicely, equation 1. Then we have 4x minus 7y is equal to 6, equation 2. Good. You can see that this problem is little different from this. It's different from this, the first one. Good. So because the reason is that when you compare the coefficients of the variables, they aren't the same. Okay, they aren't the same. So this one, we cannot add or subtract the equations just by the way. So what we need to do is we have to check the coefficient of the variable we want to eliminate. So for this case, let us eliminate x, the variable x. So the coefficient of x in the first equation is what? 3. And that for equation 2 is 4. So we are going to multiply this 4 by equation 1. So equation 1 multiplied by 4. Then we multiply the 3 coefficient of this by equation 2. So we are going to get 4 times 3 is what? 12x plus 4 times 5, we are getting what? 20y. Then 14 times 4, we are getting 56. So this becomes our new equation, equation 3. Okay, let's do same for equation 2. So 3 multiplied by 4, we are getting 12x. 3 times negative 7, we are getting negative 21y, which is equal to 3 times 6, we are getting 18. So this becomes our equation 4. Good. So now we can compare the coefficients of the variables. You can see that for the variable x, the coefficient is 12 in equation 3, and the same thing 12 for equation 4. So now we can add or subtract. Okay, so let's subtract equation 3 from equation 4. Okay, or equation 4 from equation 3. Yeah, the same thing, you get your answer. Equation 4 from equation 3. Okay, good. So we are going to get 12x plus 20y minus, into bracket, 12x minus 21y, which is equal to 56 minus 18. Okay, now let's expand this bracket and simplify. We are going to get 12x plus 20y minus 12x. This will give us plus 21. Oh, sorry. Yes, 21y, which is equal to 56 minus 18. We are getting 38. Good. So we are going to continue to simplify this. So you can see that our 12 will cancel this 12, and 20y plus 21y, we are going to get 41y, which is equal to 38. Okay, so we divide both sides by 41. So our y is going to be 38 on 41. We then put y is equal to 38 on 41 into any of this equation. Okay, any of this. Okay, so we can put it in any of the equations. So which one should we put? Let's put it into equation 1. Good. So we are going to get 3x plus 5. We know our y is 38 on 41, which is equal to 14. Okay, so which is the same as 3x plus, so 5 times 38, we are getting 190. 190 over 41. Okay, which is equal to 14. Now, as I said, if you find it difficult to get the LCM for this, just multiply the whole equation by the denominator of the fraction. So we are going to get 41 times 3x plus, so we are going to get 41 times 3x plus 41 times 190 over 41, okay, which is equal to 14 times 41. So this one gives us 123x plus, this one will cancel out, we get 190, which is equal to 574. Okay, so 123x is equal to 574 minus 190. So 123x is equal to, okay, it's equal to, so 574 minus 190, we are getting 384. So we divide both sides by 123, 123. So we are getting x to be 384 on 123. Okay, and we know that 3 goes into 384, 128, and goes here 41 times. So our x is equal to 128 on 41. Okay, so this is the solution for the second problem. So let me give you a trial so that you solve it and you provide the answer in the comment section so that we go over and give you your feedback. So your question is, you have to solve 5x plus 4y, which is equal to 20, and 3x minus 4y, which is equal to 10, by elimination method. Good. Don't forget to subscribe so that you always get our updates and you learn together. Thank you.